Hi, my name is B. Sairam Reddy. I am excited to present my project for the Gemini API competition. Today, I'll be showcasing my unique solution that enhance website interactivity using Gemini API. Let's dive in. The project revolves around the simple yet powerful concept, a customizable pop-up that can be easily integrated into any website. This pop-up powered by the Gemini API allows user to ask questions and receive answers in real time. Here I have added my script tag to a sample website. As you can see, the pop-up appears seamlessly. Users can interact with the pop-up by asking questions. For instance, let's ask about the NLP. What is NLP? On the admin side, I built a comprehensive dashboard. Admins can monitor which pages have the script installed and track user interactions. This includes seeing how many commands users have asked through the pop-up. This feature provides valuable insights into the user engagement and helps in optimizing the user experience. The integration with the Gemini API is straightforward. Our script make API calls to fetch the necessary information, ensuring a smooth and efficient user experience. The flexibility of the Gemini API allow us to customize responses based on the user queries, making our pop-up highly versatile. Thank you for taking the time to view my project. I believe this solution powered by the Gemini API can significantly enhance the website interactivity and provide valuable insights to the website administrator. I am excited about the potential of this project and looking forward to any feedback you may have. Thank you.